Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today I am delighted to show you around this used Audi Q2 1.4 TFSI CoD Sport S Tronic, finished in white and powered by 1.4 liter turbocharged petrol engine delivering 150 PS and paired with smooth automatic transmission. This Q2 offers dynamic and highly efficient driving experience. At the front, the Q2 makes statement with its high-gloss titanium black radiator grille and halogen headlights, which bring classic styling and excellent visibility, as well as 17-inch alloy wheels, which offer composed and comfortable ride. The rear end features clean angular styling paired with subtle halogen taillights, which complement overall design, as well as practical skid plate in Manhattan grey. Boot capacity is versatile and practical, perfect for everything from shopping bags to weekend luggage. Thanks to split folding raised seat bench in 60/40 configuration, you can adapt the space to suit your journeys. In the back, passengers are treated to supportive cloth upholstered seats, ISOFIX mounting points for child safety, and ample leg and headroom. Up front, the cabin feels well constructed and cleverly arranged. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, and there is front center armrest for longer journeys. You'll find a leather-trimmed 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with integrated gear shift paddles, giving you tactile control and sporty touch. The steering wheel is fully height and reach adjustable, and ahead of you sits clean and legible monochrome driver information system. You get a manual air conditioning system as well as infotainment system with MMI Radio Plus with crisp DAB digital reception and a CD drive, as well as USB ports and SD/XC card readers. You also get Bluetooth for hands-free calling and wireless media streaming, SD card-based MMI navigation system to find your way around, as well as plenty of car settings and additional functions including Audi smartphone interface and voice control for added convenience. Additionally, the driver will benefit from the feedback from the parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q2 1.4 TFSI CoD Sport S Tronic. For more information, visit us online or give us